Whoa. It's Switch day. Go. This unboxed. Yo guys, so, I'm not really much of an unboxer, but I figured I saw this at Target and I was like, heck yeah, let's get this. Let's open it. Let's see what it's about. And I guess let's just see what happens. The box is pretty compact. I think it's a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but let's see what's in there. And I have it upside down. Wow. All right, so we got the new Joy-Cons. I knew that was gonna be something. Got another one. I meant to throw the plastic, not the actual Joy-Con. But what's $500, All right, Switch 2. Feels pretty nice. I thought the old one kind of felt janky. I never was really happy with the quality of it, especially the Joy-Cons, they didn't last. I'm really excited to try the new connection and see what that's like. Do we think that has charge? Ooh, it does. Wow. Okay, so we got to put the Joy-Cons on. Let's see what that feels like. Check it. Check it. Oh, ooh, feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. All right, next one up. Cool, cool. You guys ever see these little crevices and stuff, and it's just like, I'm always wondering what's actually gonna be, if there's something in there or not, and then I'm worried I'm gonna forget something, but Cool, okay, so we got an ultra high speed HDMI cable. That's pretty cool. For that 4K 120. These little dingies. And I'm hoping this is different too, because I did not like the first one. Everything just did not feel that great, but we'll try this later. All right, then you got USB-C cable, which is cool. Welcome to 2025 Nintendo. And then we got this pretty good looking brick. Oh. Now this is the new dock. It's supposed to be better. Yeah, looks nice. We'll have to see how that fits in there. So far, I'm liking it. It's all a lot better quality. Then of course I had to get Mario Kart World, because I'm basic. But just that's what's in there. Really? That's probably the best unboxing I've ever had. So these are my initial impressions, and I'm gonna be releasing a full review, but let's just get this out of the way. The Nintendo Switch 2, it's overpriced. Yes, it's better in every way, but so what? It should be. The original came out 8 years ago. The original was $299 and the Switch 1 OLED is $350. So for $150 more, we have a bigger screen, but it's still LCD. It's a good LCD, but does that really mean that much? The colors are better, it's brighter with HDR, but the blacks are still gray and the viewing angles are, just okay. It's an LCD. And no matter what Nintendo wants to say, it's just an LCD. And what gets me is that we know Nintendo is gonna release an OLED version. I think that's a guarantee. But at this point, what is that gonna cost? This should have either already been OLED or this should have been priced closer to $299. And the OLED, it could be $350 or $450, but with 8 years to make this, I think it really should have just been OLED. But I'm not overpriced. In fact, this video is free. So smash that subscribe button for more content like this, massage the like button until it starts to sizzle, and ring the bell for that sweet, sweet smell of bacon in your inbox. Now you can see from my unboxing, at first I thought the dock was better, but not by much. The Switch is still pretty loose inside the dock and it's weirdly unbalanced. With minimum pressure, it can easily fall over. I am happy to see that there's an Ethernet port though. The joysticks feel better and they're a lot bigger, which is great for anyone who doesn't have tiny baby hands. Using them as a mouse though, I mean, I haven't played any of the games with this feature yet, but I just can't imagine how it'll be comfortable or work out that well. The jury's still out on whether this or the Apple Magic Mouse is the worst mouse of all time. Look, I've only had the Switch 2 for a day. I mean, I do think it's a good console. Everything about it is better than the original, and what really matters is that so far, I mean, the new Mario Kart, it's really fun. And buying a Nintendo console is really all about the exclusives that you can't get anywhere else. If you aren't interested in those games, then I think you'd be much better off just getting like a PS5 or a different handheld. But at $450 and 8 years to develop this, I think they are really pushing it on the price. They've got you locked in though, because if you want any of the new Nintendo games, you have to get this. And I'm just gonna need more time with this, so look out for the full review. All right, if you like this video, go ahead and like it. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe for more, and always remember, in bacon we trust. All right, I'm gonna go play some more Mario Kart.